In this video we will have a talk about the text box position change. Depending on if you're using an old Shopify theme or a new Shopify theme, also the setup is a little bit different. So in this case we are just looking at the old Shopify themes, the 1.0, and how we can change the position in this case. Also on some themes by default the text box is maybe shown below the add to cart button or above the variant selection, and we simply want to change the position so that we can show the text box on our favorite position. The first thing we have to do is go back to our Shopify overview, go to online store themes, go to actions, go to edit code, and now we have to search for a special section. I also recommend to open up our step-by-step instruction in our knowledge base. There you see also what steps you have to follow. And currently we are looking for the section product-template.liquid because we have to enter some small code snippet inside to change the position of the text box. So I will also copy it already here, this code, and we have to search for this product template, and I will go here back to the edit code. We'll enter it here, product-template.liquid. I found it already. I will click on it. Perfect. And what we now have to do is find our right position where we want to show the text box. So first of all, it is currently in this position, and let's try to find this position by default. So it's above the add to cart button, and I simply have now to find the right button inside here. So I see here, okay, there is some button, but there is no word inside which says add to cart or something else. So this is not the right one. I will go further and further. There is another button, but it looks also not like the add to cart button. So we will go ahead. And here we see, okay, there is some button. It says submit or add. Here are some words like add to cart. So this will be the right button, the add to cart button, which is shown here above. So I can simply go above, paste my code inside here and hit the save button. And then nothing should change because the text box was already on this position, so everything fine. And now let's maybe try to set the text box below the price, for example, below the product price. Then simply copy the code again. And now let's find the price. Also helpful is sometimes to go to Command and F. Then here's some small search will open up, and then you are a little bit faster to find the right section in the code. In this case, I want to find something like price. You see here, okay, product price. And this code is the part where the price will be shown. So this refers to that price here, and we can simply go below, paste our code, hit the save button, and now our text box should be shown below that price. So you see everything done right, and you can simply go through the code, test a little bit, set it to different positions. Maybe you have to search here for some variant, then you can also enter here some word like variant. So let me enter it also. And then you get some results here suggested, and you can simply try to find, okay, what of these can be the right variant selection. And then you can simply go through if you found something where you think this could be the right part and set it above or below, and then also position will change. But very important is that it's inside the product form. Otherwise, the input which will be entered here will not be overtaken into the cart. So let's test here in this case. I will enter here some test sample text, will add it to cart. And you see it's overtaken here, so everything is done right. It works like that, but sometimes if you put it too far above or too far below, then it's outside the product form, and then these properties can't be overtaken in the add to cart, so it will be empty also if there is some text inside. So I suggest you always to test what you have done, and in general You can't make so much wrong, so simply test different positions inside the code, and then you will automatically see how the text box goes up or goes down. And then if you are in the right position, you can simply say, okay, everything is right, hit the save button, and everything is perfect. But if you need any assistance, we have a very fast and great support service. Simply let us know, and within 30 minutes we can bring your text box to the right position. Thank you very much.